In this video, I'll guide you through how to link and connect Google Calendar to Dubsado. Connecting your Google Calendar to Dubsado can help you keep your scheduling information connected between the two platforms. The setup is handled directly through your Dubsado account, and the process only takes a few steps. To get started, open Dubsado and make sure you're on your account dashboard. Once Dubsado is open, you'll need to access the Settings area. Look for Settings and click on it to open the available configuration options. Inside the Settings section, look through the available options and find Calendar. Click on Calendar to open the calendar settings for your Dubsado account. Once you're in the Calendar section, look for the option to connect an account. Click on Connect Account to begin linking your calendar. After selecting Connect Account, you'll be given the option to choose the calendar service you want to connect. Since we're connecting Google Calendar, select Google Calendar from the available options. At this point, Dubsado will begin the process of connecting your Google Calendar account and will take you to the sign-in process. Follow the Google sign-in screen to continue connecting the account. Make sure you use the Google account that you want to connect with Dubsado. Once you've started the sign-in process, continue through the prompts provided by Google to complete the connection. The important part here is selecting the correct Google Calendar account before continuing, especially if you use more than one Google account. Keep in mind that the exact appearance of Dubsado may vary depending on the version or interface you're using. If your screen looks slightly different from the one shown in this tutorial, you may see different menu names, layouts, or options. However, the process is based around opening Settings, finding Calendar, selecting Connect Account, and choosing Google Calendar. So, to recap the process, open Dubsado, go to Settings, choose Calendar, and then click Connect Account. From there, select Google Calendar and begin signing in to the Google account you want to connect. And that's the process for starting the connection between Google Calendar and Dubsado. Once you follow the sign-in prompts, your Google Calendar connection can be set up through Dubsado's calendar settings.